Hey everybody, Allie Doran here with Miss Allie's Kitchen. Today we're making venison tacos, one of my favorite meals ever, and it's a great way to use up ground venison meat that you have sitting in your freezer. So I actually have a defrosted pound of venison. I like to defrost on a paper towel and a plate. I've removed the paper towel, but that helps to absorb some of the older blood, which will really help get a clean, delicious taste in your tacos. I'm gonna set this aside and then I'm gonna get started chopping up my onion and garlic. That is the base of the taco. I like to have aromatics, so onion and garlic in my taco meat, and everything just gets sauteed together and it really helps to pick up that flavor. I like to chop my onion up pretty fine, just so I'm not getting big chunks of onion in my taco. I'm actually gonna set a little bit of raw onion aside for later for serving. I like a little bit of raw onion on my taco. So you can totally do that if that floats your boat. And before I chop my garlic up, I'm gonna turn my burner on medium, and I've got a large pan back there. While the onion and garlic saute on the stove, I'm gonna get the rest of the ingredients ready to make the taco filling. In here, I've got some chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. That's all you need, but it's a good bit of spices. Then we're gonna add some orange. I'm just gonna halve these for easy juicing, and a lime. Lots of citrus because it adds a bright flavor to our ground venison, which needs to be brightened up a little bit so it doesn't taste gamey or too rich or heavy. So I'm gonna use the whole orange and the whole lime as soon as this venison is nice and browned. The last thing I'll add after the venison is browned and all of these ingredients are added is a little bit of water and apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar is used again to make a bright acidic note in the taco, and I'm telling you, it's what makes these so delicious. A quick tip for you, whenever you're making soups, stews, sauces, or even tacos like today, you can actually add your spices and seasonings in before you add any liquid. This helps the flavors open up, and the oil helps to infuse everything together, and you'll get more bang for your buck out of flavor. Okay, my taco meat is all finished. While it was cooking, I charred up some tortillas, diced some tomato. I've got cilantro here, and that raw onion that we got earlier. I just like to come in with a nice, generous scoop of meat, top with a little bit of tomato, raw onion. I'll make up one more. I can't have just one taco. Perfect. Go in here. This is a good way to make sure your tacos stand up. Just put them next to each other. More tomato, onion, and then I'll finish with some cilantro. You can put any toppings you want, sour cream, cheese, really anything goes, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. This is one of my favorite things in the world. These are so good. They're nice and bright. I love the fresh toppings with everything. Honestly, you would never know this was wild game. This is one of those recipes that you can serve to anybody. Trust me, people who don't even like venison will love this. You can find the recipe on my website, www.missallieskitchen.com, and I'm Allie Doran. Thanks for watching.